Welcome to today's episode. I'm excited to dive into a topic that's essential for developers of all kinds. Whether you're a front-end wizard or a back-end guru, managing your development environments can sometimes feel like a juggling act. Today we're introducing you to a tool called mise. Think of it as the ultimate front-end for your development environment. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does mise do? Good question. Imagine tools like ASDF, which help manage different programming languages and their versions, but with a twist. mise takes it a step further by managing a whole arsenal of development tools, from Node.js to Python, CMake, and even Terraform. You name it, mise probably supports it. So how does it work? Well, it's a lot like Dyrenv, which manages environment variables for different directories. With mise, you can seamlessly switch between different versions of tools and frameworks depending on the project you're working on. Sounds pretty nifty, doesn't it? Let's get into the nitty-gritty, shall we? You can easily install mise with a simple command. Just run curl http://mise.run, and voila, you've got mise installed. You can check to see if everything's set up correctly by running local bin version. And you should see the version number pop up, indicating that you're ready to roll. Now, here's something that I find really fascinating. Mise not only allows you to install different versions of tools, but it also gives you direct access to the actual paths of installed runtimes, not some shim that can confuse you down the line. For example, if you're working with Node.js, you can specify precisely which version you want to use. You simply run mise use-global node at 20. And it's as easy as that. You're now set to use Node version 20 globally. How cool is that? All right, let's take a moment to think about the implications of using a tool like mise. Have you ever been bogged down trying to determine which version of a tool is compatible with your project? Or maybe you've faced the frustration of switching contexts between multiple projects. Mise can really simplify that process, allowing you to focus more on coding rather than version management. It's also worth noting that mise hooks right into your shell, whether you're using bash, zh, or fish. This means you can activate it easily based on the shell you prefer. Just a couple of commands and you're set. It's designed to make your life easier. Before we wrap this up, let's reflect a bit. What challenges do you face when managing your development environment? Do you often find yourself navigating between different versions or tools? One of the brilliant aspects of mise is how it centralizes these tasks and allows for a smoother workflow. In summary, mise is not just a tool, it's a game changer for developers looking to streamline their processes. It enables you to manage multiple environments effortlessly and keeps your projects from colliding with each other. So whether you're building your next big thing or just dabbling in code, mise might just become your new best friend. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you learned a bit about managing your development environments and how mise can make that a breeze. Give it a try and let us know how it's changed your coding life. Until next time, happy coding.